You know, say I really enjoy this love, eh?
I miss every
I'm glad the boy puts me in house, you know.
You know, so when you like somebody, you get for put an house.
Yeah.
You make a glad when you get a useless man. You understand? The guy for me can house, you go take it, can put me in house.
Yeah, but the man ain't just pack go, so we know the.
I really don't enjoy.
Former can you say, all me bad life, all me useless life, all I don't left am. I don't you know some kind of thing that's on my mind. So then they talk about the Congo South woman them. You know, but now all things don't change from where you can life, from where you go take me out me that you use.
Now you don't left faulting.
I don't left one thing, I'm glad.
Anyway, me say glad the way you left faulting. Because your lifestyle be really bad, oh.
Really bad.
Ah, but
really
thank God
bad.
now you
Finger
left
soup,
faulting.
talk about Congo South thing. Wait, something the way we it kind of my mind.
Like what
I'm not glad.
Like what
You know, say like the man, this man we left loose. You know, so I'm married. Then he all a marriage certificate. I more they pull me at. He go to na kotu.
Forget. Let me get that man there. I don't want to let them stress you. Let me get her. The long way they take, so the long right and the money na get her. So forget about her.
But you know, so he married and I only certificate. Now you married her. So he get more rights.
Certificates, not certificates. I want to look to me. Forget about that man there. All thing na me get her.
For me, I can tap to you now, house. You understand me? For me, you go take me, I can't tap to you now, house. The one rush you buy for me, now don't use now past 6 months. Look, I don't bend, say, look at. And you promising me, you say you take care of me.
Relax.
See, look, now Polo I could less pass. So I for the wear shirt, me copy all the bluff. I'm for the bluff. I want to pass and say, okay, now marry my man that day.
Really?
Yes, they for the praise you because you get me for you take care of me, like I take care of my other man. Oh, look the shoe, but look. Look, you don't do nothing about that one.
You all I don't rest you done. And make up you done. You go for other woman like what make up this so. And the tell you no say me not to go back for her.
You know, me, I don't change.
You sure?
For my kind of say, I'm not gonna buy, I need do it. Wait to get me. Get me now for you, not for nobody.
Okay. I will relax. This week. I will shopping for you. From the foot to the end. All thing we want. At the shopping. Let me say. No say right now, you know me see that.
Wait, from where you count me now, so you count me now. I don't tell what to you.
You? So now you like this? You man. Now you like this? People are not money for this woman.
Now you force me up. Now you meet up. Now you force me.
I'm waiting.
You get God.
I'm waiting.
You see the reason why make her kill you?
No, sir.
You see the reason?
I tell her.
You are not money for this man.
Whose business where you get?
If you make pack come on house, that mean I tell you say I don't want you. I'm not telling you say I don't want you. I pack. You see the reason why make her kill you then days here?
No, me no there.
I don't like her.
You ain't the woman like that.
The map.
So
So
now
now
you-
you make so for.
No, you see how going to go.
You. If you one time you know so, until the last time I been don't want you. I only know say I get right over you. Everything work there between you. Hope I get everything with you.
Yeah, you get the marriage certificate, I like.
I don't like her. Now waiting.
Don't tell.
Now me man before not to announce it. Now me married her. If you get certificate, you don't get certificate. Only certificate. You don't go. You don't pack. I want you forget about me. Now leave me life.
I don't
This now me new man now.
I don't ever tell you say I don't want you.
Hey!
Not to pack go.
You not be pack go. Say
Okay, if I pack go, I no go carry again.
Ah.
Okay, now me I dey can house.
Who's that?
Anybody wey dey tell her let
Which house?
Tell her let the
Money wey say I go take to the people. The money wey I'm already say I go take to the people. Now you want to
Now like
Hey, money.
The cow gone.
if I no remember God, but I no wan take the loan na me hand. I no wan take the loan. What I go do? Me lawyer go know boss.
See, now in the first
Me lawyer go know
Now in the
boss.
first me.
I dey wait for your lawyer. Your lawyer now dey wait.
So you dey telling me lawyer back?
Of course.
You see you? Professor, you are not dey talk to you. Me they married me legal, you na tap, you can't tap. So I'm not get nothing for duty, but I'm not blaming her, this lady. It's too cheap. What's kind of thing is? What's kind of thing is? They come love with boyfriend before me, but me lawyer go write you.
I dey wait for your lawyer.
Me lawyer go write
You no get shame. You don't pack, you don't go. You say you don't want me, girl, I go take me money. So let me like live the life I want live. Yeri, I dey wait for your lawyer. Professor, no forget that. Na me get side, na me pa. Many things was say.
Go there, today. Why I'm not count me gone? Go there, me go. Now una say, una all have been drop una today. But wait, you go meet up with
work out
some
empty gone.
Me lawyer go nobodies.
The lawyer going now dey
Me
wait.
lawyer go nobodies.
Go. Go. This is my new man. I don't get a hair. I'm
not getting nothing for say again. I'm not getting
So
nothing
nobody
for me.
go-
No, I will nobody's.
Go,
You
go.
wait for me. That man they for pull another host day. He for pull another host day.
Kiss me now. Bolefa. Big fool. Now you don't pack good on I can't disturb you.
For starters, shout out to the wife. The first to really do it, and the last really take me country now. Let me front here the grass, yeah, I'm good steady flow, and weed out the cash. I'm blessed.
Yes. Young lady, how are you?
Hi.
Although then days there, while me talk you embarrass me. But I not blame you. I know say na Dominic playing cause all this problem. I know say Dominic cause this. I know say you say been let me come the first. They won't make it easy. But Dominic, I don't know what happened. More, I don't tell him the Dominic. He says he regret all what he do. He regret all what he do. And for his sake, I know we come out here. Because God now know what he put in my heart for you. You no go believe. For your sake, me woman house at driver. Because the way Dominic they come meet me no more. You want this, that's why they pull the gear, that's why they pull the gear. So he say, please, I want to forget all what things don't pass. I want to start a new page. Dominic, you know regret her. And me say, me for don't vex, but I don't go vex by because you know. So please,
If one man accept you, problem not there. But I get serious issue with the family right now.
anything na a problem and a problem now, because me want to.
Eh?
Anything na a problem, tell me.
Okay, I hope say what I will talk, you don't go give me excuse.
Me don't. Okay. What Dominic be the lie by me? I know they prove am.
I don't say
All
you
the whole thing
prove am.
Dominic be the give, na me dey give.
Babe, wait, me na that tell it I have to pay for. I have to pay for something at class on 500,000. And also, a weapon to machine cost 1,200,000. I don't know man I see how if you get for. Eh, wait so. Now the game I dey give, I'm not sure. What's maybe it's not that so Gigi show me into the talk. Now Papa God. This life is not really balanced. Come on, money you want ask am for, I make you don't run away from me. We go meet up na the highway. No problem.
Dominic. Ça va for so bad. Come on. It's emergency. What are the latest now? What team is now marriage certificate to me? No, see, marriage certificate. You know that the only source all for left on that picking also don't go make a don't go tap now in place.
Sam, I expect you for go give certificates where I no see money. Sam,
I better advance you.
let's
I don't give 1.5. I say we count. I want to see him. Look me, I look here. They put the money in here now.
No. Give me but okay, me that tell you first. For like no this guy take so. You can imagine I'm the best part of the betray so.
But I job for thief like.
Yes, I know. Imagine what I go thief for like okay, I have the money. I don't want to tell you no more. I have the money.
How much salary?
I don't talk Sam.
Hey, wait so for thief only
Hey,
marriage certificate.
la
No. Don't pull. But no more tell I ask. For thief ordinary marriage certificate. Now they go pay you up to 4 million.
Yes. Because if that man can marry those, they kick you out. And you almost with that man can. What is the man can enjoy? But couple money you can bribe me.
So that's all. And that be if not for buy keke for me.
I'll tell you.
Go over it. 4 million. 4 million. 8 million.
See,
And they put for you 500,000.
no, 800. If you had 800 per the money, when a normal agreement, I go now, I go thief now, I carry it. But we don't thief. I don't want to make you thief. I go stand there and not see me.
800,000. Now your job. I know.
I don't want to watch that thief fish not see me. I don't want to try.
800. Okay, I give you. If I had 5 for you, 5,000 something, 5,000.
800.
I didn't follow you by what telling you.
Come meet me in the next 2 hours.
The next 2 hours, sure.
I can't go there. I go thief. I carry it.
Right now, 5 minutes to 2.
Sabi me
So I can buy 4.
Yes.
That meet you here.
Yes.
Dominic,
Sabi me
I will buy you.
551.
I
Sabi
really
me
will buy you.
551.
Because understand say, now me more do it. Now man today. We get the certificate so you don't hold her. I understand say don't go see lawyer. And for go Sunday. And if you see go Sunday, they go keep me in the house. They put me in the house there.
tiré pas bitiré là me pas di back so na.
But I job.
Ya me go fait.
But you say I come in the next 2 hours by 4 o'clock. I will come. That the money all now 2,305,000. Not doing. At the counter. The counter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dominic, I beg no let me down.
At the Tifa.
At the counter.
You just gonna we just prepare me money no more. Boy pick you bad. You fit all kind of for pulling come to boy picking am my those. It's a wickedness. But me say na money I want. I will go Tifa.
La mina boto for him belly crap. Stay at home. Build up. Box.
They call me Samza. Mba. Respect not you mortal man, they expect na for thinker. Cause next man say for one thing, respect. If he respects the word he respects, he go get he respects the same respect, he go get as much as he expects. Neff gets rights for respect, chef. Golden boots player gets rights for respect, ref. Then shots gets rights for respect, vest.
Izo, my guy.
She was too easy, now been run down, long gone, whip him, you come, I was long gone in the jungle, the only man with King Kong. Respect you, Seth Samza, crack twist in the best yet, too new school and the vet flex, expect less, never when we connect sets, KME boxer, let's inspire the rest, progress the best guess. I came to lead the youngins, they came to help me, I can't do it alone.
Hello? Nadia? What have you done, Kaisaya? Hear me. What do you mean you go tell me lawyer now? What do you go tell me lawyer? Hello? Old man no go. What have you done, Kaisaya? That guy left and they GG someone they go ask. I left the document. What have you done can't take this marriage certificate? What I can't take her? What old man no go? Oh. See, I'm happy to do what get no more forget me woman back. Because na tande the able go make her get me woman back. Me I can't go to Dominic. Because na Dominic no na ya. Old man don't go school.
Hello? Professor. Sam, who's at the meeting? Tell me who's at the meeting. I don't want to knock that thing there. But we don't tell you. I said I don't want to knock him. Who's at the meeting? Okay. Sam, I can't from you know. Yes. Alright. Sam, I don't get married also. I don't get the marriage certificate. I will call you back. Yes. Hey, man.
Yes.
Hey,
Sam, not to buy any account for now, not to buy any. Sam, now, what he hold me, he don't miss it. That marriage certificate to a abopa. Oh, next week by this time, you woman for dinner use. He don't miss it. Not your joke, bro, not your
You
joke.
mean you marriage certificate and don't Tifa? Okay, one thing more you like joke.
The reason I make that down to you. Now you no more sabi me. And all me neighbor then don't go. Nobody know they all don't go.
What do you mean?
I left the team because I plan say they can't call you go meet the lawyer. I pull the plastic, the envelope I learn. Now that take bucket I go ask. That was so I go ask. Stay I go come now. I no meet again. And they don't want me open.
You don't get nobody working can now come.
Nobody, I not get friend first. Like you want sabi dey. Even my family, nobody knows sabi dey. And that company, all man they go. Now me one day dey.
What's the problem?
Some guy, if you know about down they do, I want to help you.
I don't know. I come to kill you to acid. I mean, Uncle Woman come jam so woman no meet the car with himself. For my serious this one, I not go know myself. I will can take me a magician.
Some.
You say me by every first the case. For like win the case.
Some you know say na hand how they survive.
I know you. I mean by every you case. I will go if you marriage certificate back. One no say certificate. I for go to court. You win that guy like come on house. You go and marry those back. I will can do that. Who's guy we can no, I don't vex. I don't vex. No, I don't vex. No, I don't vex. I don't vex. I go expect me. Your best buddy. I go expect your best buddy like me. I go do that day. No, but I don't expect you. I don't expect you.
No, what time they go to?
No, I don't expect you, Sam.
Sam, no vex, but you know say this na for me. You too, no vex. No, I go na that man. They don't say they enjoy.
So I go if you marriage certificate.
Sam, I want to offend how they get this one.
So this is a problem. How would you?
And I mean, about this no more, and I mean, about this one. Go me don't go tell the lawyer. The lawyer don't say like.
You don't go talk to the lawyer all. So the certificate no more the lawyer they wait for.
Nah, he no more they wait for.
This is a problem. You just say professional sabi use.
Nobody, I know them calling. Nobody, I say that you no more sabi. If the people are in day, like then Sunday, Saturday, all people like in the house. Oh, can't imagine today Tuesday, all man don't go work. Me, I don't know what to for do. Now, I don't know what to for do. For say me, I dey miss that lady there.
I will miss. You know what?
Me go continue with this shop and it.
No, they look for him. Yeah, we look for him.
So for help you. Now the poor landlord come and they make like ask the then they know they let the ask at the compound. Maybe somebody mistake left key, he run the car, meet you up, he take her.
You know say I'm glad for you. I'm glad for you. This can them buy for me so. I believe that the starting this right. You know, I get some other man and they what the money buy for them like the Okada they start. Bicycle. You know, somebody in a keke start with. I'm glad.
You say we don't tell you say you wait after this keke.
Hello, na Jeep.
I tell you, once you deal with me, you give me the love what I want. Anything you want, I give you.
Oh, glad for this keke. It's a 5 keke. This brand new. This is the guy that tell the world done.
You know me love for I know all this stress yourself for nothing. I know all this stress yourself for nothing. Honey, you know that me first man be married. The certificate, you know say been get am. So how una don't pass with you and Dominic? You know say been tell me say you dey arrange with Dominic.
Yes, Dominic we don't go thief am. Yes, he believes you know say Dominic you own for thief business you left and here. It's a bit thief wonderful. That they thief and anything. Yeah. I if you get contract for yourself. One big man say you want me a thief, you want me to go thief one.
Really?
You understand? But now marriage certificates now, when you married that first man, you know say then be the security for laying a man they can pull me in the house.
Yes.
They can tap to you so. So don't go thief for now. You don't give me. But for can balance 1.5.
How much na the balance?
1,500,000.
That I need stress. The most important thing, else the marriage certificate don't come like you don't get some. The money with the game.
I believe me, boy, if you buy for me keke, what's me you don't go buy for me?
Everything I give for you and me love.
Sweetie. Any keke, how much you buy so for me?
Forget about the price. Anything for you. I go the extra. No
upon all the man they where you don't keep, you never buy for them bicycle. Pass me that for me keke.
Of course. You know that is.
Tell them what about today.
When you see at snap, not to call it, they call you now. I dey pan pen word where they fix pound now. Two go do for now.
Hey, left me keke.
You, I dey advise you now. Last love in the place.
What that? For now, till that do us part.
That's sweet.
See you. If you maybe no say na this is plan for me. Maybe later me people are fine. Problem no day, then they take out now they want nothing no they will be they go wrong with me. you come on, go begin beg, say they married me. So now this is the plan for me. Now this sufferness you have for me.
My dear, now you pack go. Because you follow you so-called Dominic. You say never bow down to a woman.
No woman.
So this one, I don't get an any bow
I
down.
dey bow down.
Anything I tell her,
I dey go on.
I beg you saying a pastor. So they are beg. Give me freedom now.
No, now this plan you been get for me. No, so. But by the grace of God, now the last love na the place.
No get nothing for doing, nothing. Now you pack go.
Me no say the law they go between me and you two.
Which law?
Which law? You don't get documents again, no. You never get certificates again. When they prove say yes, this woman, you don't marry that.
Tell him.
Nothing of it again.
Tell him.
You get certificates?
What
Get the marriage certificates?
Sorry.
You know there.
Oh, I'm not against you.
How come Sinobo all this?
Only guy. Oh, baby.
Dominic.
Hey, who's Dominic?
Dominic.
It don't pass 4 years and they see Dominic. Nothing.
Me own private business. Nobody know they own what tell. How come Sunano?
Young man,
You don't go
I am
Dominic.
safe with my wife.
Thank you. Tell her. All this
Let me get her now.
Right now, they found jail to them.
Hey, watch out. Keke, buy for me.
Excellent.
The only thing I buy for you in a boxer and make you bad. Because you're not serious. I get potential.
Exactly.
You get?
If I let go,
Come here, make Keke.
You go regret this.
waiting.
Wait.
You go regret
I'm
I think
waiting.
I'm mad there again.
Why be they beg you?
You get what to beg me.
They don't pass no for regret.
Look at you. Look at
Now go
you.
regret this one.
Only for me do my kind of life. I get past 12 pair of shoes. Take care of it for me. Buy only na same box now for
You don't go.
na same box now work so.
Always they got over see me and they want. Yeah. They don't say we don't forgive them. Me na Christianity we talk. Boy. Men don't know when one just not tell them when bang they hate Papa God. I don't get problem with that. I don't forget about them.
So what you don't want to get the Uber? What you don't want to get the Uber?
What's up, Pumba? So I don't pass ticket now. Foot now. Si just the bill we no more. Uske beaucoup. Ah, God.
Danny, let not be seen at jelly one jelly.
I mean, no go forgive.
Okay, now this one I don't guess. Now this one I don't guess now. So me see the reason I make attention for left here.
Hey, na tugu.
Who for left here?
But now, how for left here? We dey party she married case.
The other thing and they. Then make us help me for that married day. You come wait say I win that case. All of them are us.
Na tugu ba. Oh, this is a big problem, sir. Look the other time back. Who there now? They can talk to her picky fine.
Yeah.
As you see, you wanna wait for now. Now first begin thieves na shop.
Now
first begin kidnap.
who cyber?
You no go forgive and forget. Eh? Who's can style this?
Then a bad plan you get for
Sammy,
me.
I don't have for no. I don't have for no. Somebody now. Nara! No, don't be sad, mommy don't can so. Hey!
See what's happening?
Me not tired oh, not tired oh.
What's problem again this time
What
around?
did they be out for? What did they be out for?
Oh my God. For goodness sake, na peace na come for now. I beg na calm down. Una forget about all the things we don't na soon I don't come. I want peace.
See, me I not believe. I not
Una
believe.
dey see me na
I
take
don't
una dey
believe.
run. Why
Yeah,
una dey
because we
run?
don't do you bad, we don't do the shop, we kidnap
Yeah.
the pikin. So no one go jail right now, sisi.
No, this time around I no dey jail anybody. I no dey na here for jail. Na peace I want. Una calm down. Now me I don't do bad. Now me don't look around again. I turn around. I don't come.
See me, I not believe. No,
not believe.
plan work.
No.
Na plan work.
Me, in case you want to, me no to ado na this man there. Na here.
No bad. It's fine. You know bad if una dey here. No denying. And like now you dey no deny. No dey give you problem.
She's not about no say na bad do you. Realize I be say na bad do na who won you.
Okay.
Oh.
Set up the non give life to Christ because don't know see na.
Depends. For more give life to Christ. For more give life to Christ, eh?
Hey. Don't deny me. Never gonna go so fast so they go struggle. We can't talk Christ.
You know what I
fine. Go take.
This man for God don't begin use.
Me begin not to make me mommy forgive them why mommy forget about this mommy. Yes.
Let me go kidnap.
Yes. They say that they always see them vex. It's always see them be vexed by saying that people don't know you show this and that vex so vex and I made them say vex and go kidnap me but when I not begin no bad intention for them. No, it's bad intention I not get for them.
You don't mean I'm more one thief na shop. You understand?
Yeah.
She's a nice woman. Oh.
Nana me picking them.
You know when I know say she's nice. You know say you know say I know say she's nice. But how did they take his shop hand over and give you?
Yeah.
It allow we. Would they wait to at the shop? Then Satan just come up from nowhere. I can't say we can't put his shop.
Yes.
Not
tell them no give life to Christ. But now we will still develop grace.
Now do me all that don't kidnap me picking all that. I don't come me to now. Go in peace fear. So na me you picking them.
So she no case against you.
No case. My God in power, no case.
So the shop case you don't let fam?
I don't let fam. When I kidnap me picking, I don't be a hunting in a Christ. All that day. I just want to look out to one no more.
No, I know bad.
Sister, no more able to be able to.
Yes.
Okay, now yeah.
Oh, Nana place this.
No, I need that.
No, me not tell this man there.
Anytime we want.
Una don't be run for me.
We say so we not glad to see. We not be happy, but when you get problem with somebody, you must you know. Sisi, you know Sisi.
Yes, Sisi.
So now me hide that for me all this
while. All this while we hide oh. Hey, we hide baby.
I know we say so don't forget.
But since I give me life, God give life to Christ. God do. Since you give life to Christ, then God trust Sisi in heart.
Sisi, I forgot na church by the final prayer is very
yes.
So God.
When I not go.
Sisi, okay, Sisi una type una not reach 2.
I tell you. Na so no more.
What somebody do bad if na bad.
Okay, imagine the kind bad don't do Sisi. It's bad. But Sisi, what we forgive we? Imagine Sisi, remember take one shop, he give we done his shop, kidnap him, begin back. See what you back, he forgive we.
Really painful.
Really painful. So Sisi, nice.
How for the pass up here, come to me now. We want to for the other man who begin back again.
Thank you.
Okay. So now that's
yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma. Yes. Sam, Sisi, good.
Let me call this one. Wanna be the same. Sorry, Sisi, I don't believe in too much.
Sam, not you
yeah.
Me ask the tell you.
Not to Sisi, one can no say there. I tell you, if I call policeman, then I have a problem.
Sam, I think I not get first.
Hey, for left here.
For the day and I net at the beginning. Only I didn't treat.
Yes, no.